Hi everyone, it's Katrina. Here's a gift idea for you basket makers, a party favor snack pack. You can load them with what your customer prefers, dress them up with shred and flowers for anniversaries, or customize them for birthdays. The sky is the limit when it comes to the snack pack. These make great party favors. This one is tailored for children, for a children's party. Please comment below and tell me what you think. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe. Be blessed. Most importantly, be a blessing.